Look at this. Our medical checkup reports just arrived.
Already? That was fast.
Yeah, I didn't expect them so soon.
Why are you look so serious?
Because look at all these marks.
Oh no. Why are there so many red arrows?
Red means danger, right?
Yes. Red is never good.
There are green arrows, but not many.
I was hoping for more green.
Me too.
What does it say about you?
My blood pressure is high.
High? But you don't complain much.
I know. I thought I was fine. I feel okay most days.
That's the scary part. You don't feel sick until you are.
And look here. My cholesterol is high too.
2 problems already.
This can't be good.
What about me?
Your numbers are close to the limit.
So we're both at risk.
Yes. This report feels like a warning.
Did the doctor rate anything?
Yes. There's a note at the bottom.
Read it slowly.
Change lifestyle or get sick.
Wow, that's very direct.
He didn't say maybe.
He didn't say later either.
He said or.
That word is heavy.
It feels like a choice.
A serious one.
I'm feeling nervous, honey.
Me too. My heart is racing.
I don't want hospitals.
I don't want daily medicines.
I don't want to feel weak all the time.
And I don't want to lose you.
We've been ignoring our health.
Yes, for too long.
We need to take this seriously.
Starting today.
Together. So, what do we need to do now?
First, let's not panic.
I'm trying not to, but my head is full.
That's normal. Big news does that.
Okay, so what should we change?
We start with our lifestyle.
Lifestyle sounds big.
It is big, but we break it into small parts.
Small sounds better.
Good. First part, food.
Food is our weakness.
Yes, but food can also heal us.
So, no more junk food?
Not no more, just less.
Less oil, less sugar.
Exactly. More vegetables.
Vegetables every day?
Every day, even small portions.
That feels doable.
Second part, movement.
Exercise?
Movement. Walking counts, stretching counts.
So we don't need a gym.
Not yet.
That's a relief.
10 minutes a day is enough to start.
10 minutes. I can do that.
Third part, sleep.
This one hurts.
We stay up too late.
Phones, videos, random scrolling.
And then we feel tired all day.
So no more staying up late?
Yes, we need good sleep.
What time should we sleep?
Before midnight.
Every night?
Most nights, we're human.
Is that really enough?
Yes, if we lose a little weight, the numbers will drop.
Just a little weight?
Just a little.
We don't need perfection.
Exactly. No perfect bodies.
Just no more red arrows.
That's our rule.
What if we fail one day?
Then we try again the next day.
No guilt?
No guilt, only learning.
I like that.
Change should feel kind, not scary.
I'm starting to feel hopeful.
Good. Hope gives energy.
I think we can do this.
I know we can.
So, what do we do today?
Today, we start small.
Very small.
Vegetables today.
Even if I don't like them.
Especially then.
And no late night?
Sleep early tonight.
Phones off?
Phones off.
Lights dim?
Breathing slow.
This feels like a fresh start.
It is a fresh start.
For our health.
For our future.
A healthy start.
How did you sleep?
It was hard at first. We're used to late nights.
It felt too quiet.
How did you fall asleep?
I counted sheep.
Did it work?
Yes, slowly.
I saw you sleeping, so I felt sleepy too.
We woke up naturally.
I feel fresh today.
My energy is back. Tom, is that you?
Oh, hi, honey.
What's behind your back?
Nothing.
Just work papers.
I smell grease.
I was stressed. I missed the taste.
Is there any left?
Half.
Let's share it.
Really?
Yes, balance matters.
It tastes amazing.
But dinner is salad.
A giant bowl.
Deal.
My chest is burning.
My legs feel like stone.
We're so slow.
Everyone started somewhere.
I need a break.
Let's stretch instead of sitting.
That helps.
See that big tree?
That's far.
That's our goal.
Let's go.
2 weeks already.
I didn't quit.
Close your eyes.
Chocolate?
One small piece.
It tastes better now.
Because we earned it.
Food doesn't control us.
We choose.
My belt is loose.
That's progress.
Your dress zipper moved.
I almost cried.
We're changing.
Slowly, surely.
This journey is long,
But we started.
and we won't stop.